Good day, ma'am. Today we're diving into some key concepts that are crucial in making any organization run smoothly. Process standardization, planning, and supervising. Whether you are managing a team, working on a project, or preparing for your future career, understanding these ideas can make a huge difference. In this video, I'll explain what these terms means, why they matter, and how they can be applied effectively. So, let's get started and break this concept down in a way that's simple, practical, and easy to remember. So, number one, what is process standardization? Process standardization is all about creating consistent methods for getting tasks done efficiently. Imagine a factory where every worker follows the same step to assemble a product. That's process standardization in action. It's not just for manufacturing, it's the backbone of handling customer complaints consistently or sharing financial reports in a uniform format. The result: streamlined workflows, fewer errors, and better collaboration. Number two, what are the three main purposes of process standardization? Why standardize process? First, it boosts efficiency by eliminating unnecessary variations. Second, it ensures quality by following consistent steps every time. Third, it simplifies training, making it easier for new employees to get up to speed. Beyond that, it saves resources, ensures consistent results, and, and strengthens teamwork because everyone is on the same page. So, number three, define planning and supervising. Planning and supervising are the dynamic duo of effective management. Planning sets the stage by deciding what's need to be done, how to do it, and when. Think of it as a mapping out of the journey. Supervising ensures the plan is executed properly, guiding, monitoring, and providing feedback to the team. Together, they guarantee tasks are completed on time and meet the desired standards. Lastly, number four, as an IE, discuss three effective methods for supervising people and explain how planning enhances management. So, effective supervision starts with clear communication, laying out expectations so there's no confusion. Regular feedback keeps employees on track and motivated, while performance metrics provide data to improve. Planning ties it all together by setting clear goals, organizing resources, and scheduling tasks. This ensures supervisors can manage their team effectively and everyone knows their role in achieving success. So that's all for the video. Thank you po, ma'am. Have a great day.